Huawei unveiled its HUAWEI Y Series 2018 at a glitzy bloggers meetup in Karachi. The event showcased hot-selling HUAWEI Y7 Prime 2018, for which pre-orders were fully booked 2 days before the deadline. Offering top-class features at an amazing price point of PKR 19,999, the device is a spectacular upgrade for youngsters looking to switch from their existing entry-level smartphones. Celebrating its popularity in Pakistan, Blueking Wang, manager, Huawei Consumer Business Group, remarked, "We created the HUAWEI Y Series 2018 for Gen Z, the youth who live life on the go. They have shown tremendous love and trust in the HUAWEI Y7 Prime 2018 by making it Pakistan's favorite entry-level smartphone. The device offers a spectacular upgrade to their lifestyle by bringing flagship experiences at such amazing price points." The HUAWEI Y7 Prime 2018 is the hero of the pack. It is a perfect companion for youngsters who want to live an upbeat lifestyle. Featuring a 5.99-inch Huawei full-view display on a beautifully crafted, sleek body, the device gives an immersive experience when it comes to watching videos and playing games. Moreover, it comes with a 13MP+2MP dual camera and EMUI 8.0-based Android 8.0, which delivers a smooth performance through a super-fast octa-core chipset, 3GB RAM and 32GB of memory. With a wide aperture dual-back camera, the HUAWEI Y7 Prime 2018 is a haven for photography lovers. With the R lens mode, available after an update, people can add exciting filters and animations to their photos. The smartphone captures stunning imagery and crisp bokeh photos. The 8MP front camera with selfie-toning flash takes bright selfies, while a translucent light lampshade rebalances lighting to make you look more vibrant and natural. Apart from the innovative camera features, the smartphone has a host of other flagship features, that is an HD+ Huawei full-view display, high-precision face unlock, fingerprint unlock, a 3000 mAh battery, which runs throughout the day, 3 card slots to simultaneously support primary and secondary nano SIM cards, as well as a micro SD card, optional, up to 256GB, and a smart split-screen mode allowing users to multitask between selected apps at the same time. The HUAWEI Y7 Prime 2018 is available in 3 color variants of gold, black, and blue. The excitement goes a notch further as the series also features HUAWEI Y6 Prime 2018 and HUAWEI Y9 2018. These devices are packed with flagship attributes that will let youngsters have a great time. While HUAWEI Y6 Prime 2018 is designed with loud entertainment at its center, the HUAWEI Y9 2018 is a selfie lover's dream come true. Both those smartphones will be available in Pakistan at the end of April for attractive price tags.